You don't need more supplements or fancy gym routines. You need to stop treating your 40-year-old body like it's still bulletproof. Let me ask you something straight. Why does it feel like no matter how hard you train now, your body just doesn't respond like it used to? You hit the gym, you lift the same weight, maybe even eat cleaner than you did in your 20s, yet your arms don't fill out, your chest looks flat, and your belly won't budge. It's not your fault. You are not broken. You've just been lied to about how men over 40 actually build muscles. See, what works for a 25-year-old fueled by testosterone and takeout doesn't work for a man over 40, juggling work, family, stress, and slower recovery rate. And if you keep following that same playbook, you'll keep spinning the wheels. So today, I'm breaking down how men over 40 can build muscle twice, not by training harder, but by training smarter. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you the three-step recovery loop I use with my private clients that turns their tired, sore body into muscle building machines again. Listen, bro, if you're a man over 40 and you want to finally drop the belly fat to get your strength back and to feel like yourself again without the joint pain, without the body pain, that's exactly why I built my Strong After 40 method. If you want me to help you put this into your own life, I'll drop a link below. Book a free call with me and we'll map out your Strong After 40 game plan together. Or you can as well just comment fit below and I'll get in touch with you. It's a 90-day program that will get you results. Results you deserve. But before then, here's the reality after 40. Everything changes. Your hormones, your recovery, your muscle protein synthesis. It slows down. And the biggest mistake I see men make, they try to fight it like they're still 25. They train 6 days a week. They cut calories too low. They grind themselves into the ground and then wonder why their body feels beat up and nothing's changing. You can't outtrain biology. You can't outdiet your hormones. What you can do is work with your body, not against it. Listen, I'm going to show you how in a minute. But first, let's fix what's slowing your gains down. Here are mistakes that are killing your muscle growth after 40. Mistake number one, you are training like you are still in your 20s. Most men over 40 chase fatigue instead of progress. You don't need to destroy yourself every session. You need to stimulate the muscle, not annihilate it. Stop chasing soreness. Start chasing performance. Focus on form, on tension, and recovery. When your joints feel better, your muscle grow faster. Mistake number two, you are eating less when you should be eating smart. You've been told that eating less helps you stay lean. That's wrong. Undereating kills testosterone. It slows down recovery and it makes it impossible to build muscles. Here's what you don't need. You don't need supplements. You need structure. Mistake number three, you are ignoring recovery and hormones. And here's what most men over 40 don't realize. Muscle isn't built in the gym. It's built while you rest. And if your sleep, your stress, and your testosterone are immense, no amount of training will fix that. That's why I focus heavily on what I call the recovery loop. Three things that double your progress: sleep quality, mobility work, and testosterone friendly habits like morning sunlight, lifting heavy 3 times a week, and dialing back late night stress. Listen, bro, before we go any further, if this is hitting home, if you're nodding right now, thinking, that's me, man, that's exactly what's happening to me, then I want you to do two things. First off, subscribe to this channel. I drop new videos every day. I break down how to build your body and energy after 40 in a way that actually makes sense for real life, not Instagram fitness. So now that you know what's holding you back, here's what to do instead. I call this the Strong After 40 Muscle Blueprint, and it works because it respects your biology, the biology of a man who is in his 40s, 50s, and even 60s. Step 1. Focus on performance, not punishment. Train 3 to 4 days a week with purpose. Use compound lifts, squats, presses, rows, deadlifts, and get stronger in small increments. That's how you build muscle and protect your joints. Step 2. Eat to rebuild. Protein first. Aim for 1 gram per pound of goal body weight. Get carbs from real food, oats, potatoes, fruits. Don't fear fat. It's vital for your testosterone. And remember, muscle needs fuel. You can't starve yourself into strength. Step 3. Master recovery and testosterone habits. Go to bed before midnight. Manage your stress. Even 10 minutes of deep breathing helps. Get outside. Lift heavy. Move often. And sleep deeply. These small habits flip the switch on your hormones. And when you do them right, your body starts responding again. You gain lean muscle. Your energy spikes. Your sex drive returns. And you start feeling like you again. And by the way, if you haven't checked out your testosterone levels lately, that's one of the first steps I have my clients do. Because if your testosterone is low, your recovery, your motivation, your muscle growth, all of it takes a hit. I'll leave a link below for my free T-score test. It will show you what's normal, what's not, and what to do about it, no matter the score. It's free. Take the test. Let's start from there. Remember what I said at the beginning of this video. Most men think their body is broken, but it's not. It's just waiting for the right plan. I've seen men and I've coached men in their late 40s, even in their 50s. They have doubled their strength, dropped belly fat, and look younger in few months once they stopped fighting their body and started working with their body. You just need the right blueprint. And that's exactly what I teach in my Strong After 40 method. So if you are ready to finally drop the belly fat, rebuild your muscles, and feel strong again, the link is below. Book a quick free call with me and we'll build your personalized Strong After 40 game plan together. This call is free. There is no pressure, just clarity. Because bro, life is too short to feel weak in your own body. Smash the subscribe button, check the T-score, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share with your brother who needs to watch this. Copy that.